It is mandatory for every circle and region of post office to recruit only those employees who know the local language. Goa region comes under Maharashtra circle, and to recruit Goa, knowledge of Konkani is a must. But still, Maharashtrians knowing Marathi are recruited in Goa because Maharashtra circle simply does not include the clause of language while advertising the posts.
The central government follows three-language formula for all recruitments in central government departments: English, Hindi, and a local language, which is official language of the state and also included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This was decided way back in 1960 by President's order. For example, watch this online advertisement of Karnataka Circle of Post Office. Compulsory knowledge of local language. The candidate should have studied the local language up to 10th standard and also as per the provisions of 8th schedule of the Constitution. And watch this latest circular issued on 4th June this year by the Post Department for the posts of Gramin Dak Sevaks, GDS. Local languages for each state are clearly defined: Kerala Malayalam, Madhya Pradesh Hindi, Maharashtra Marathi, and Goa Konkani. These circulars are judiciously followed by all the circles of different states. Watch this notification of Gujarat for the post of GDS. Reading, writing, and speaking knowledge of local language is a must. This is Karnataka. Studying local language till 10th standard is a must. This is Kerala. Compulsory knowledge of local language and studied local language up to 10th standard. Look at this. This is an advertisement of Andhra Pradesh. It even mentions the language Telugu in the ad. And this is Maharashtra. The clause of local language is simply missing. And this is a notification of 2017 for the same posts. Again, the clause of local language is missing. And it includes 21 seats for Goa, from Paingin in Kankon to Avede in Kepe to Virnoda in Pedneng. We could find only one notification of Maharashtra Circle in August this year for the post of more Gramin Dak Sevaks. It mentioned knowledge of Marathi in Maharashtra and knowledge of Konkani in Goa. But otherwise, all the posts of Goa Post Offices have been filled in the past without even mentioning this clause. The educational qualification required for these posts is only 10th pass. But no unemployed Goan could get these secured jobs of central government. Goa 365 Bureau, Panaji.